Hello and welcome to my channel again. I have prepared other 100 zoology questions for your preparation. These are based on updated and latest information. Let us start. The main division of the chromosomes occurs in anaphase. The protein synthesis occurs in ribosomes. Blood antigens are present in RBCs. Sex-linked genes are the genes located on X chromosome, some also on Y, but most on X. Transcription is the phenomenon associated with C. Formation of RNA. Segregation of alleles of a gene occurs in diploid individual during gamete formation. Sodium-potassium pump is located in C. Nerve cell, present in all animal cells but classically studied in nerve cells. Pepsin is an enzyme responsible for breaking proteins. Pacemaker is located in heart, SA node. Follicle-stimulating hormone is produced in pituitary. A genetic dominance is strongly associated with phenotypic expression. Crossing over is the physical exchange between homologous chromosomes. XXY individual in man is phenotypically a male Klinefelter syndrome. Which of these can be the first living organism on the Earth? D. None of these correct, prokaryote/bacteria. Ontogeny represents the history of an organism, embryonic. Nuclear membrane has a structure similar to a cell membrane. Osmosis is the movement of solvent, not solute, through a semipermeable membrane. Sickle cell anemia is the condition where the RBCs become sickle-shaped due to absence of oxygen, low oxygen tension. Pond is an example of ecosystem, complete. Despite the structural diversities, they are characterized by having soft body protected by calcareous shell developing from the mantle layer, mollusks. The members of the phylum are exclusively marine, echinodermata. How many paired legs are present in arachnids? For pairs. A true coelom is absent in platyhelminths. A single aperture is present in cnidaria, single opening for ingestion and egestion. The following represents Enterocoelus phylum, echinodermata. It is exclusively a parasitic group, Sporozoa apicomplexa. Most species of animal kingdom belong to this class, Hexapoda, insects. Insect mouthparts are serially homologous to legs. The only groups of animals which are diploblastic in nature, Coelenterata, cnidaria. The phenomenon in which larvae becomes sexually mature, neoteny. Amphibians have the following number of chambers in their heart, 3. The young are born in less developed condition, marsupials. Limbs of sea cows and sea lions are the product of convergent evolution. In these animals the teeth are reduced to molars without enamel or no teeth are present, sloths and anteaters. Only hind limbs are lost in whales. Among the following which snake is non-poisonous? Python. Which one is excluded from the phylum Chordata, Hemichordata? The earliest known species of birds is Archaeopteryx. A muscular diaphragm helps to move air into and out of the lungs in mammals. Chiasma formation could be seen first time in the following stage/substage of meiosis. Diplotene, not zygotene. In protein synthesis, each triplet code binds itself with one amino acid via tRNA anticodon. For the rapid production of antibody in the precipitate test involving a rabbit, one of the following animals could be used. Fowl. 13:3 ratio in F2 is obtained in the case of suppressor-gene interaction, not complementary, which gives 9:7. Crossing over rarely or never takes place in the male of Drosophila. XXY individual in Drosophila is phenotypically female, opposite to humans. Fossils of which of these first living organisms were found? Protozoan microfossils. Which of these are exclusively functional proteins? Enzymes. Phylogeny represents the history of an organism, evolutionary. Sickle cell trait is found in heterozygous. The first living and respiring organisms on Earth were anaerobes. The major portion of digestion takes place in small intestine. Practically all absorption of digested food occurs in small intestine. Sibling species are produced as a result of allopatric speciation. In the days just after its formation, the Earth had reducing atmosphere. Zygotes containing XY are females in Drosophila. The Y chromosome is sexually neutral in B in Drosophila. Marsupials are found in C both A and B, mainly Australian plus neotropical. In which stage of meiosis centromere of each dyad divides? Anaphase 2, not metaphase 2. Coelom is the body cavity originating from mesoderm. Cytopharynx is the structure present in paramecium. Gemmules are the reproductive structures produced in sponges. Comb plates are very specific structures of ctenophores. Nerve net is present in coelenterate at below epidermis, ectodermal. Circulatory system in insects is open type. Silk is produced by silkworm, larva. The basic function of a flame cell is excretion, osmoregulation. The scales in fishes are dermal, ectodermal in origin, not mesodermal. The neck of a camel has vertebrae, 7. Spiders are arachnids and they have legs, 8. Gill slits in chordates are present in pharynx. Birds are flying and have ovaries, 1 on left side. Adult echinoderm has symmetry. Radial, larvae are bilateral. The typical characters of all mammals is D. All of these mammary glands, hair, brain, etc. Mouth in shark is located ventral. The number of ribs in frog are D. None of these frogs generally lack true ribs. Earthworm are dissected from side dorsal. Duck-billed platypus is a monotreme. Silverfish is a member of insects, order Thysanura. The chemical composition of a chromosome is nucleoprotein, DNA plus histones. Lysosomes are responsible for intracellular breakdown. Ribosomes are located on rough endoplasmic reticulum. The metaphase chromosomes are thick because these are highly coiled. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. Nerves convey the message in the form of electrical impulses. Follicle-stimulating hormone is produced in pituitary. The primary excretory product in aquatic animals is ammonia. Pepsin is responsible for digestion of proteins. XXY individual in men is phenotypically male, Klinefelter syndrome. Sex-linked genes are located on mainly X chromosome. Mendelian segregation is applicable to gametogenesis. The number of the alleles of a gene in a diploid individual is 2, not 1. Gene mapping is measured in centimorgans. A genetic dominance concerns with the phenotypic expression in heterozygous. The first living organisms were bacteria, prokaryotes. Enzymes are chemically proteins. Theory of natural selection was initially proposed by Darwin. Second law of thermodynamics demands energy loss during transfer, entropy increase. The basic purpose of ecosystem is energy flow. Contractile vacuole in protozoa is basically responsible for osmoregulation. If you think this material matters, like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.